More concerned about Disney's new Snow White remake, mostly because of what the lead actress has been saying to the press. Rachel Zegler has been described as a walking PR disaster for Disney's.
Disney's upcoming live-action Snow White was supposed to be a celebration, a bold reimagining of the 1937 classic with Rachel Zegler as Disney's first Latina princess. At first, the casting was hailed as a win for diversity and representation. Many saw it as an opportunity to bring a beloved fairy tale to a new generation with a fresh, inclusive perspective. But what began as a triumph has become one of Disney's most polarizing projects yet. The controversy exploded after Zegler's remarks during press interviews, where she dismissed the original Snow White as outdated and labeled Prince Charming's actions stalkerish. While some praised her honesty and modern feminist take, others accused her of disrespecting a timeless story that has enchanted audiences for generations. Backlash grew when Disney revealed that these 7 dwarfs would be replaced with CGI magical creatures. The decision, meant to avoid stereotypes, instead angered fans and members of the dwarfism community who argued Disney should have updated the characters, not erased them. When first-look images of the creatures dropped online, critics compared them to soulless CGI characters from Shrek, further fueling disappointment. Even David Hand, the son of one of the original Snow White's directors, publicly criticized Disney's remake, saying it had lost the simplicity and sincerity that made the 1937 film a masterpiece. His comments resonated with nostalgic fans, who feel Disney has been drifting too far from the heart of its own classics. Meanwhile, a surprising rival has emerged: Brett Cooper's Snow White. Produced by the Daily Wire, Cooper's version leans into the original fairy tale's roots, keeping the dwarfs as real, distinct characters and preserving the magical, romantic tone. Her respectful portrayal and genuine enthusiasm for the role have won over many fans who feel alienated by Disney's approach. The teaser trailer for Cooper's adaptation has been widely praised for its enchanting visuals, heartfelt tone, and faithfulness to the source material.
That it's no longer 1937, and we absolutely wrote a Snow White that is
not going to be saved by the prince.
She's not going to be saved by the prince, and she's not going to be dreaming about true love. She's dreaming about becoming the leader she knows she can. Cartoon. I think I watched it once, and then I never picked it up again. Like, I'm being so serious. I watched it once, and then I went on the ride in Disney World, which was called Snow White Scare.
Modernize Snow White as an independent, empowered heroine, while critics argue her comments cross the line from reimagining to outright rejection of the story's legacy. This cultural showdown now represents something bigger than 2 competing films. It's a debate about the future of storytelling in Hollywood. Should studios reinvent beloved classics to match modern sensibilities, or preserve the traditions and nostalgia that made them timeless in the first place? Disney's recent track record with live-action remakes has not helped its case. The Little Mermaid and Mulan face similar criticism for prioritizing political messaging and removing iconic elements fans loved. If Snow White repeats the same mistakes, it risks becoming another divisive entry in Disney's remake history. As both projects near release, the stakes are higher than ever. For Disney, the challenge is to prove it can balance progress and respect for its own legacy. For Cooper and the Daily Wire, it's an opportunity to position themselves as the champions of classic storytelling. One thing is certain, this is no longer just about Snow White. It's about which vision of the fairy tale future audiences truly want to see: Disney's bold reinvention or Cooper's faithful homage.